Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the latest episode of the Daily Social Podcast. And in this episode, I talk to you guys today about showing up no matter what, whether it's in your personal life, your professional life, or your social media life, and how you can show up for your subscribers, your fans, your base, your listeners, whoever that may be, how to show up for them no matter what and create amazing and great content for them. So be sure to listen more on how you can do this. What is going on, guys? We are back with another episode. I just want to welcome all of our listeners to the Daily Social Podcast. And if you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe, click that subscribe bell on your podcast app or wherever you guys get your podcasts. If you guys are listening to us on Apple Podcasts, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell in case if you guys are on any other social media app or podcasting platform. Click the notification bell so you guys will get notified when we upload. So, guys, in today's episode, I want to talk to you guys about showing up no matter what, whether it's on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, whether you guys have a business, whether you guys are content creators, whether you guys are, whether you guys are doing lemonade stand, selling baseball cards, basketball cards, whether you guys are into public speaking, whether you guys are into, doing virtual events, because everything is mostly virtual now due to COVID. So I wanted to know with you guys, are you guys showing up virtually on your events? Are you guys still doing virtual events, or are you guys back to in-person events? Because COVID's since 2 years ago, well, I would say 3 years ago now, it's been wreaking havoc on the world and in our lives and everything. So just let us know if you guys are still doing personal events and public events, virtual events. So the thing is, it's always good to show up no matter what on social media for your for your subscribers, for your listeners, for your fans, if you guys are doing live events, and keep putting out consistent content. If you guys have a show in January or have an event in January, make sure to not leave them behind. Like, probably book another show or event for like maybe March, April. That way you're not constricted with your time and everything like that. And if you're doing podcast episodes, it's very, very likely to let them know, probably in your description, whether you do episodes weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and just let your fans know to subscribe and download the latest episode. Or if you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys, if you're doing live events, if you're doing live events, make sure that you let them know to if you guys have up your banner on stage, make sure you have your social media, your social platforms on it. That way they know to subscribe or to follow you, or to subscribe to your podcast, or follow you to make sure that you get motivational speeches and content based around whatever you're passionate about. Because if you guys are doing that, you showing the audience will know that you care, right? And if they care, they'll promote you, they'll want to buy your products and your services, and book you for events, and be one-on-one with you. Like, if, say for instance, I had to meet Gary Vee for the first time, or if it's a common thing, I wouldn't want that one-on-one time with them, to like express like what I'm going through or what I'm doing for my business or other material things. But it's always good to show up for your audience and to let them know that you care for them, you love their support and everything like that. And in all honesty, guys, just show up. That's my spiel or one liner or speech or whatever you want to call it for the day. Just show up, regardless if like, say for instance, you had a long day at work, or you're coming home, you didn't want to do the podcast episode or whatnot. Just do it. Just show up for them, because your audience is valuable, and they're the ones that are subscribing to your content. They're the ones that show you love, show you support, come out to your events. So it's always good to support them and have them support you back. So if they have a podcast episode and they invite you on as a guest, you can share your experiences, your expertise, and everything like that. So it's always good to, support them and they support you back. So guys, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, feel free to leave a comment or hit me up on Twitter or Instagram. I'll leave my links in the description. That way you guys can hit me up. But yeah, guys, just remember to subscribe, like, comment, subscribe, share, because sharing is very important. So make sure to do that. And guys, just do what you love. Just if you're passionate about making lemonade or doing cookies or playing basketball, whatever the case is, just make sure you have a passion for it and do what you love. Don't let, whether it's myself, your parents, your friends, your teachers, whoever, don't let them say, oh, you can't do this, don't do that. Find what you're passionate about and do it, even if everyone disagrees, because in the end it's going to be worthwhile. Because whether you're gaining experiences, gaining knowledge, making money, want to retire your parents or retire your girlfriend or your wife from working, just do what you love. And it's so very, very important that I leave you with that. And like I said, guys, if you guys are new, make sure to click the bell, turn on your post notifications when so you know when I post. And if you guys are new, and if we have any new listeners, make sure you guys click that bell, click the subscribe button, hit me up on Twitter or Instagram if you guys have any questions. I'll leave my links in the show notes, that way you guys can hit me up. And yeah, guys, just remember to do what you love, have a passion for it, and always remember to show up no matter what. Have a great Thursday, guys, and I will see you guys in the next episode. So always remember, show up no matter what, be consistent, and to have a passion for what you love. I will see you guys in the next episode, and take care, guys. See you. Hey guys, thanks for listening to our latest episode. If you guys want to know more and you guys want to hear future episodes, make sure to hit that subscribe button, add us to add us to your favorite podcast, and be sure to leave us a message, leave us a review, and we'll pump out more content to you guys. So I just want to thank you guys for listening, and we'll see you guys on future episodes.